distinguished members of the press, our partnership is a force for perpetual good. We have worked together for decades to promote the shared objectives of a peaceful and stable Afghanistan. Our two countries host the largest refugee population in the world. We are doing so almost exclusively from our own scarce resources. Before I end, Mr. President, let me say something that is very close to our hearts. The emotional bond between our two countries goes beyond conventional interstate relations and diplomatic niceties. It is a bond that is rooted in history, as we have earlier said a few minutes ago, in culture and in the fabric of our two societies. It is a bond that resides deep in our hearts and sits there and will sit there forever. This bond, this unbreakable bond, is unique in that it connects us at all levels and in all layers. Our states, our governments, our institutions, our armed forces, and above all, our people. There are very few examples in today's world of two nations being so closely intertwined and interlinked.